So hey everyone, I am Simran and hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to share with you this glam look. So if you want to know how I create this look, so keep on watching and do subscribe my channel, like my video, share as well as follow me on Instagram as well as for my updates, real time updates. So without wasting further time, keep rolling. So the first product which I am going to apply is Grandier Argan Oil because my skin is too dry. Angular brush. So after that I am going to blend this with a beauty blender. So once this is done, I am going to set this with a Maybelline Fit Me compact powder with a small fluffy brush. And now I am going to use a tape because I want sharp edges. Now I am going to use a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and pink shade with a small fluffy brush. This brush is from MAC. As you know, blending is the key of good makeup. So just blending, blending and blending. And now I am going to dig my brush into purple shade and blend the color which I applied before. Once this is done, I am going to apply a Maybelline gel eyeliner. It will be a base of my smoky eyes. Then moving on to the eyeshadow, for that I am going to use the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill palette and the black shade with a small tapered brush. Brush is from MAC. I am going to just blend the corner of my gel eyeliner and set the liner which I created before. Now I am going to dig my brush into blue shade. And now I'm going to use again Maybelline gel eyeliner, and this time I just created a line. So my one eye is complete, so I am going to quickly finish my other eye as well. Now I am going to use Kryolan TV Paint Stick palette and this orange shade for hide my dark circles, pimples and wherever I feel pigmentation. So next for foundation, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Shade is Natural Buff. Alright, now we're going to set this with a Maybelline Fit Me compact powder with a small fluffy brush. Now I am going to use LA Girl Blusher Plus Contour Palette. Now I switch my brush and digged into a pink shade for blusher. And now I again switch my brush for nose contouring. Now I am going to use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Now I am moving on to an angular brush and using with the blue shade, doing my under eyes. So now I am going to use highlighter with a fan brush. I am going to highlight my cheek area, my forehead, my nose, my cupid, my chin and my brow bone as well. Alright, so I forget to do my eyebrows. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For that I'm going to use brown and black mix shade and fill all the gaps, and now comb with a spoolie. So after doing my both eyebrows, I'm going to use Hyper Curl Maybelline mascara. Okay, so my mascara is done. So now I'm going to use Huda Beauty lipstick. So yeah, now I'm going to use lip gloss. So yeah, this is my final look. Hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share as well as see you soon in the next video.